Superconductivity refers to the phenomenon in which electric resistance becomes zero and the surrounding magnetic field that penetrates matter is perfectly pushed out when particular metals, metal compounds, and inorganic compounds meet certain specific physical conditions involving temperature, current density, and magnetic field propensity. Superconductivity is already used in medical MRI machines, quantum computers, rockets, and satellites, and is expected to be used as the core technology for certain means of transportation, such as magnetic levitation trains and superconducting airplanes and ships. In the not-too-distant future, it will even be used in nuclear fusion power generation. Importantly, the power transmission industry is one of the most active use of superconductivity. In 2019, Korea had successfully commercialized superconducting cables for the first time in the world, and this remarkable achievement was registered in Technology Collaborative Program published by International Energy Agency. In this commercial project, Cable&System received an order for the world's first superconducting cable system on a turnkey basis, in which it took charge of supply, installation, and initial operation. The superconducting cable system installed comprised the cable system in charge of transmission, the cooling system that keeps the temperature inside the cable at -200 degrees Celsius, and operating and monitoring system that monitors and controls them. The cable system consists of superconducting cables, joint boxes that connect cables, and terminations that connect cables to external power apparatuses. The cooling system, which keeps the operating temperature and pressure of the superconducting cable within adequate operating conditions, is configured redundantly. It is comprised of both a closed-loop mechanical cooling system that deploys a cryogenic refrigerator and an open-loop resistive cooling system that decompressing liquid nitrogen. The cable system will never stop transmitting electric power even if one cooling system is dead due to its dual operation. As all operations are automatically controlled by the operation and monitoring system, unmanned operation is realized. Also, every event occurring during operation can be automatically transmitted to customers in accordance with predetermined alarm levels. In a superconducting cable, the metallic former, which can transmit fault current in case of grid faults, is surrounded by a few layers of superconductors. Liquid nitrogen flows around the conductor, while the vacuum layer around its exterior blocks external heat invasion. An important feature of a superconducting cable is that a single cable circuit can replace more than 10 conventional ones without generating electromagnetic waves, and it is made of eco-friendly materials, recyclable 100%. Korea now produces the greatest variety of superconducting cables in the world. As for superconductive distribution cable systems, there are AC23 3-phase 60 MVA products, 120 MVA products, and economical 3-phase coaxial 60 MVA products, and high voltage AC 154 kV 400 MVA to 1 GVA products. Significantly, Cable&System is the only company in the world offering high voltage DC products. In particular, as the superconducting cable system enables bulk power transmission at low voltage with high efficiency, a single superconducting cable can replace numerous existing power cables in densely populated areas, as existing conduit can be used as is. No new or additional underground tunnel needs to be installed. Currently, KEPCO is preparing a project to replace existing multi-wire lines with the AC 154 kV superconducting cable, and when the project is completed, it will be another world-first case of commercialization in power transmission system. Also, depending on the conditions of the power system installation, it will be possible to either entirely remove substations in heavily congested urban areas or replace them with a very small superconductive platform. Similar projects are currently underway that will be completed in 2023. According to the carbon neutral and 2050 net zero carbon policies of governments around the world, environment-friendly, high-efficiency power system projects are being actively implemented, and superconducting cables will be at the center. Imagine a power system consisting of superconducting cables. Superconducting cables will bring a simpler, more resistant, and more environment-friendly power grid. Superconducting cable systems will be the innovation that will change the existing paradigm of power grids.